And now the hazardous weather outlook for Friday through Wednesday. Thunderstorm chances will return to portions of north and central Texas Friday afternoon through Sunday evening. Severe weather is not expected at this time. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. This is a statewide child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Harris County Constable, present age is searching for Noah Johnson, black, male, 1-year-old, 2 feet tall, weight 30 pounds, black hair, brown eyes, last seen wearing a blue shirt and flower print pants. Police are looking for Kamala Johnson, 38 years old, black, female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weight 170 pounds, black hair and brown eyes in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving a white 2007 GMC Yukon bearing TX license plate number South TM7097. The suspect was last seen in Houston, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Harris County Constable, present 882-814884040. News media point of contact is Harris County Constable, present 882-814884040. The following